In the heart of Southeast Asia lies a country that's rewriting the narrative of success, unity, and progress, Malaysia. Once overshadowed by its powerful neighbors, this nation is now rising as a symbol of balance between tradition and modernization. From futuristic skyscrapers glistening in Kuala Lumpur to the lush rainforests of Borneo, Malaysia has become more than just a travel destination, it's becoming the pride of South Asia. But what exactly makes Malaysia so special? Is it the incredible economic growth, the peaceful coexistence of multiple ethnic groups, or its booming tourism and education sectors? The truth is, it's all of these combined. Malaysia has found a way to merge its cultural roots with global ambitions. It's a place where you can find a mosque, a temple, and a church standing side by side, a reflection of harmony that many countries can only dream of achieving. In recent years, Malaysia has stunned the world with its technological advancements, booming economy, and global influence. It's becoming a major player in trade, manufacturing, and digital innovation, while still preserving its cultural beauty and natural wonders. International investors are turning their eyes toward Malaysia, while tourists and digital nomads are calling it their second home. In this video, we'll explore the real reasons why Malaysia is becoming the pride of South Asia, from its strong economy and world-class infrastructure to its rich multicultural identity and vision for the future. So, stay with us till the end and discover why the world is finally recognizing Malaysia as a shining example of what modern Asia can truly be. A strong and stable economy. Malaysia's economy stands as one of the most resilient and dynamic in Asia. Despite global economic uncertainties, the nation has maintained steady growth. With industries ranging from electronics, palm oil, and manufacturing to tourism and finance, Malaysia has diversified its economic structure like a well-oiled machine. The country is part of the Tiger Cub economies, a group of rapidly developing nations in Asia that mirror the success of Japan and South Korea in previous decades. Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Johor Bahru have become hubs for technology and business investments. Foreign companies, especially from Japan, China, and the USA, are setting up operations in Malaysia because of its skilled workforce, affordable living costs, and investor-friendly environment. The Malaysian ringgit remains stable, inflation is relatively low, and its GDP per capita continues to rise. This balance of growth and stability makes Malaysia a beacon of hope in a region where economic inequality often dominates headlines. Technological advancement and digital transformation. Malaysia isn't just keeping up with technology, it's leading the charge. The government's vision, known as the Malaysia Digital Economy Blueprint, aims to transform the country into a high-income digital nation by 2030. Smart cities like Cyberjaya are living examples of how Malaysia is building a future-ready society. With investments in artificial intelligence, green energy, and e-commerce, the country is becoming a digital hub for Southeast Asia. Moreover, Malaysia is home to some of the region's most advanced universities and research centers. The tech-savvy youth are contributing to startups and global projects that put Malaysia on the innovation map. From fintech to renewable energy, Malaysia's focus on sustainability-driven technology is earning global admiration. In simple words, Malaysia isn't waiting for the future, it's creating it. Malaysia's multicultural unity, a model for the world. One of Malaysia's greatest strengths lies in its diversity. The country is a beautiful blend of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous cultures. This multicultural harmony has shaped a unique national identity that celebrates differences instead of dividing people. Festivals like Hari Raya, Deepavali, Chinese New Year, and Thaipusam are celebrated together, showcasing how Malaysians respect and embrace each other's traditions. This peaceful coexistence is something the world deeply admires. In a time when many nations struggle with racial or religious conflicts, Malaysia stands tall as a symbol of unity. The country's Malaysia Madani concept promotes compassion, sustainability, and inclusivity, values that reflect the nation's soul. This unity is not just cultural, it's the driving force behind Malaysia's progress. When people stand together, a country becomes unstoppable, and Malaysia is living proof of that. Tourism that touches hearts. Malaysia's natural and cultural diversity makes it one of the most exciting travel destinations in Asia. From the stunning Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur to the tranquil beaches of Langkawi and Perhentian Islands, every corner tells a different story. Tourists from around the world visit Malaysia to experience its rainforests, food culture, and heritage cities like Georgetown and Malacca, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The hospitality of Malaysians also plays a big role. Visitors often say that the warmth and kindness of the people make them feel at home. Whether it's street vendors serving nasi lemak or luxury resorts offering world-class comfort, Malaysia's tourism industry thrives on genuine hospitality. After recovering strongly from the pandemic, Malaysia has once again become a top choice for international travelers. Tourism contributes billions to the economy and strengthens its global image as the truly Asia nation, a tagline that perfectly captures its spirit. Sustainability and green development. While many countries are racing toward industrialization at the cost of nature, Malaysia is taking a more balanced path. It's among the few nations that are actively promoting green energy, forest conservation, and ecotourism. Malaysia has pledged to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050, showing its commitment to the planet. Cities are embracing green architecture, electric vehicles, and renewable power sources. The Forest City project in Johor is an example of how Malaysia is merging urban development with environmental responsibility. This balance between progress and preservation makes Malaysia a model for sustainable growth in Asia. Political stability and good governance. Malaysia's political journey hasn't been without challenges, but its ability to maintain democratic principles and peaceful transitions of power reflects maturity. The current leadership is focused on anti-corruption reforms, economic revival, and building international partnerships. The government's push for digital governance, transparency, and foreign investment has restored confidence among citizens and businesses. Political stability, when paired with economic and social progress, makes Malaysia a truly admired nation in South Asia. A strong international image. Malaysia's voice is being heard louder than ever on the global stage. It plays an active role in organizations like ASEAN, the United Nations, and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC. The country's diplomatic relationships with major powers like China, the USA, and the Middle East show its balanced foreign policy approach. Malaysia is respected for its neutrality and ability to mediate between conflicting nations. In global forums, Malaysia advocates for peace, sustainability, and economic cooperation, values that earn it international respect and admiration. So, why is Malaysia becoming the pride of South Asia? Because it embodies everything the modern world dreams of: growth, harmony, innovation, and peace. It's a country that respects its past while confidently shaping its future. From its skyscrapers that touch the clouds to its humble street markets that capture the heart, Malaysia represents a perfect blend of progress and identity. It's not just about economic success or tourism, it's about the spirit of unity and resilience that defines every Malaysian. The world is finally recognizing that Malaysia isn't just another Asian country, it's a symbol of what can be achieved when a nation works together with vision, discipline, and heart. So yes, Malaysia truly is becoming the pride of South Asia, and its journey has only just begun.